Thank you for your interest in the Supra 5-in-1 skincare unit. This powerful unit combines 5 skincare treatments in one portable tabletop unit. Before demonstrating, remember to keep all original packaging until you have tested all available functions of the unit. Once you can confirm everything is working properly, we recommend keeping the packaging for the duration of your warranty period. However, if you don't have space, it's fine to dispose of the packaging after you've tested all the functions. The Diamond Microdermabrasion function comes with 3 handpieces along with 9 assorted tips. The crystal-free Diamond Microdermabrasion function exfoliates the skin with diamond tips, combining the vacuum suction to help remove dead skin cells and improves uneven skin pigmentation. When selecting the Diamond Microdermabrasion function, you'll be able to set a timer. The diamond feature replaces the microcrystal flow, making it easier to treat around eyes and mouth. You can also control the suction intensity by turning the knob. You can also view the gauge to see the level of suction pressure. When selecting the Microcurrent with LED light therapy wand, you'll be able to set a timer, along with the level of intensity. The red, blue, and green LED light therapy all helps with inflammation, cell growth, and stimulates collagen production. While the microcurrent treatment function helps with skin complexion and improves overall skin health. The wand itself contains 4 control options such as current frequency mode, LED light cycles, and an on and off button. When selecting the cold and hot hammer function, you'll be able to set a timer, along with the level of intensity. The cold treatment function helps soothe the skin after treatments and reduce skin redness, while the hot treatment function is designed for accelerating the absorption of nutrients into the skin. The hammer consists of 2 sides, one being the hot and the other cold. When selecting the ultrasonic function, you'll be able to set a timer, along with the level of intensity, as well as the frequency mode. The ultrasonic function will increase blood flow, relax muscles, and dissolve the cellulite to break down unwanted subcutaneous fat. The flat probe is used for general area of the skin, while the fine point probe is used for areas around the eyes and nose. Thank you for watching. If you would like to learn more about the Supra 5-in-1, please click the link at the top left of the video screen.